Salut, bonjour, bonsoir et bienvenue sur la chaîne Learning Freedom. Apprenez en toute liberté. Notre matière d'étude aujourd'hui est le français. Our subject area today is French language. This video is the second of a series of 6 videos that review the May 2020 virtual mock organized by Gymbat. In this video, you review the part 2 of the objective test, that is number 11 to 20 of the multiple choice questions. Thank you all for subscribing to this channel. If you are new here or have not yet done so, kindly subscribe now and check in the description for links to other related videos. This is the part 2 of the objective test, and this part is the lessons and structure part. This part requires the student to have a little bit of knowledge in vocabulary terms. Number 11. Mon père est banquier. Il travaille à la dash. Banquier means banker, somebody that works at a bank. The options: you have chambre, that is room, bank, that is bank, restaurant, that is restaurant, and église, that is church. Since the father is a banker, the correct answer is bank. So our sentence will be: Mon père est banquier. Il travaille à la banque. In English, this will mean my father is a banker. He works at the bank. Number 12. Il mange trop. Il est dash. Mange is eat, trop is too much or overly. The options: we have bavard. Bavard is somebody that talks a lot, that is a talkative person. Soula is somebody that drinks a lot, that is a drunk. Mangeur is eating or eater, somebody that eats. And gourmand is a greedy or somebody that is prone to eating too much. So that is the correct answer here, gourmand. So our sentence will be: il mange trop. Il est gourmand. And in English, you have he eats too much. He is greedy. Number 13. Pierre est dash. Il n'aime pas aller à l'école. Aller à l'école is to go to school. Il n'aime pas is he doesn't like. And Pierre is the name of a person. Let's look at the options. We have paresseux, that is lazy. Paresseuse, that is also lazy. But paresseux is for masculine and paresseuse is for feminine. We have courageux, that is courageous. And we have intelligente, that is intelligent but for feminine. Now Pierre here is a male because it means Peter. And we have paresseuse, that is feminine, so we can't use it. Intelligent is also feminine, we can't use it. We have paresseux and courageux that are for masculine, but they said he doesn't like going to school, so we can't use courageous too, that is courageux. The correct answer then is paresseux, that is lazy. So our sentence will become: Pierre est paresseux. Il n'aime pas aller à l'école. In English, you have Pierre is lazy. He doesn't like going to school. Number 14. L'orange et la pomme sont des dash. Orange and apple are dash. The options: we have fruit, that is fruits. We have legume, that is vegetables. We have tubercule, that is tubers. And we have cereal, that is cereals or grains. So since we have orange, a pomme, orange and apple, the correct answer is fruit because they are fruits. So the sentence will become: l'orange et la pomme sont des fruits, which means in English, orange and apple are fruits. Number 15. Le dash est un animal sauvage. Animal sauvage is a wild animal, an animal that is still in the bush or in the forest. So we have chien. Chien means dog. We have coq, that is a rooster or a cock. We have léopard, that is a leopard or a panther. We have lapin. Lapin is rabbit. So the only one that is still a wild animal here is a léopard, a panther. So back to our sentence. Our sentence will be: le léopard est un animal sauvage, which means in English, the panther is a wild animal. Let's now move to number 16. Je prends le déjeuner chaque dash. Déjeuner here is the lunch. Je prends is I take. Chaque is every. Now the options, we have midi. Midi is noon. We have matin, that is morning. We have soir, that is evening. And then nuit, that is night. Since we are talking about déjeuner, that is the lunch, the correct answer is midi. So our sentence will become: je prends le déjeuner chaque midi, which means in English, I take the lunch every noon. Number 17. Aujourd'hui c'est dimanche. Demain sera dash. Aujourd'hui is today. Dimanche is Sunday. And demain is tomorrow. So if aujourd'hui is Sunday, what will be tomorrow? We have samedi, that is Saturday. We have vendredi, that is Friday. We have mardi, that is Tuesday. And lundi, that is Monday. Since it is the day after Sunday, that is Monday, which is lundi in French. So we now have aujourd'hui c'est dimanche, demain sera lundi. This in English is today is Sunday, tomorrow will be Monday. Number 18. Nous sommes dans l'année 2019. L'année passée, c'était dash. Nous sommes dans l'année 2019. L'année 2019 is the year 2019. Année passée is last year. So if you are in 2019, last year will be what? You have 2017, 2017, 2018, 2018, 2020, 2020, and 2016. The correct answer is 2018. So our sentence becomes: nous sommes dans l'année 2019. L'année passée était 2018. This in English means we are in the year 2019. Last year was 2018. Number 19. Dash la récréation. Les élèves s'amusent dans la cour. La récréation is the break time. s'amuse is have fun. La cour is the compound. You have as options quand, that is when. You have il y a, that is there is or there are. You have sur, that is on. You have pendant, that is during. So the correct answer, since we are talking about the period of the break time, it is pendant, during. So our sentence will become pendant la récréation, les élèves s'amusent dans la cour. This in English means during break time, pupils play on the compound, or people have fun on the compound during break time. Number 20. Le Ghana est un pays de l'Afrique de dash. Ghana is a country in dash region of Africa. Ghana is in West Africa. You have Central, that is central, West, that is west, you have L'Est, that is east, and then Sud, that is south. So the correct answer here is l'Ouest. So our sentence will become le Ghana est un pays de l'Afrique de l'Ouest. This in English means Ghana is a country in West Africa. So this brings us to the end of this part 2 of our objective test. In case you have any question at all, just comment below the video and we will try our best to reply you as soon as possible. Thank you all for watching. To subscribe, click on the logo at the right down side of the video or the red button below and click on the bell to get notified of all new videos. Also check the description for links to other related videos. Click on the thumb up button to like this video and on the right facing arrow to share it with your friends on other social media platforms. Also comment in the box below with your views, questions and suggestions. Thank you.